How to take care of your prostate using Prostadine, or any other prostate health supplement, involves a holistic approach that includes proper use of the product, as well as lifestyle changes that promote prostate health. Here is a guide on how to use Prostadine and other best practices for prostate care. Proper use of Prostadine. Dosage. Follow the dosage instructions provided on the product label or your doctor's recommendations. Typically, the dosage varies depending on the formulation, but can be 1 to 2 capsules per day. Consistency. Take Prostadine daily and consistently for the best results. Supplements usually take some time to show noticeable effects. Time. It can be taken with or without food, depending on the instructions on the label. Some prefer to take it at night to help with nighttime urinary health. Healthy diet. Foods rich in antioxidants. Consume fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, such as tomatoes, rich in lycopene, broccoli and berries, which can help protect the prostate. Reduce saturated fats. Limit your intake of saturated fats found in red meat and processed foods, which may be associated with an increased risk of prostate problems. Include anti-inflammatory foods. Foods like fish, rich in omega-3s, nuts and seeds can help reduce inflammation. Adequate hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your urinary system healthy and help eliminate toxins that can affect your prostate. Regular physical exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, which can help improve overall health, reduce inflammation, and maintain a healthy weight. Avoid harmful habits. Reduce alcohol and caffeine. Excessive alcohol and caffeine consumption can irritate the prostate and worsen urinary symptoms. Avoid tobacco. Smoking can increase your risk of prostate problems and other serious health conditions. Regular medical appointments. Routine checkups. Get prostate exams regularly, especially if you are over 50 or have a family history of prostate problems. Monitor symptoms. Watch for symptoms such as difficulty urinating, painful urination, or frequent need to urinate, and tell your doctor if you notice any changes. Reduce stress. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help reduce stress, which can negatively impact prostate health. Conclusion. Prostadine can be a useful component in maintaining prostate health, but it is most effective when combined with a healthy lifestyle and regular doctor visits. It's important to remember that while supplements can offer benefits, they are not a substitute for medical advice and professional health care. Product link in the first comment pinned to the video.